Now, we are giving users advanced audiobooks with audio covers. Once the user logs into the Tornado account, you will be landed on the dashboard. Here you need to enter your email, password, then sign in. Here users can generate audiobooks. Just click on the audiobook creation. Now you need to add your category. Add category. Give the category name as yoga. Then click on save category. Now the category added successfully. Now you need to create the cover for your audio book. Create audio cover. You can choose audios from your done for your template library here. Once you choose your desired audio cover, that will be opened in your exclusive template for further editing. Here you can crop, rotate, you can resize, you can filter it. You can also adjust the brightness like this, contrast, saturation, hue, and you can also see many other options here like frames, text, images, shapes like circle, ellipse, square, etc. You can also add your icons here. You can see many icons here. Finally, you need to save your template. Name your template here. Here you can edit your template or else you can delete your template. Now it is active. Now you can create audiobooks with AI, record your audio, or you can upload the audio file. First, create audio with AI. You need to select prompts here. You can see many prompts done for your prompts are available. And also you can write your own prompt here. Select the prompt. You can see many language options here. As per your preference, you can select any languages here. Then click on the generate button. Now the AI is generating a content for you. This will take a moment. Now AI generated the content beautifully. Here you can modify your content like this. Then finally you need to save the content. You can also listen your voice here. You can also test the voice by clicking on the play button.
Your application interprets images, text, and more. With machine learning, your application interprets images.
Like this, you can select your preferred voice. Then click on the next button. Now you can edit your audiobook in our exclusive audio editor. Here you need to zoom out and you need to drag like this, and you can also trim the audio and also you can cut the audio here. You can increase or decrease the speed here. You can also update the volume, just dragging like this. Then click on the update volume button. Here you can upload the audio from your PC or else you can import it from the URL. You can see two options here, import from the URL or else you can add the keyword here. So here the AI will going to search the music related to the magician. It will going to generate. Here you can choose Here you can choose the specific generated audios. Then click on the next button. Now you need to name for your audiobook. Then select the category, click on the generate audiobook button. Here you can enter the description for your audiobook and also you can select the trending button. Then click on the submit button. So now your audiobook is ready. You can view your audiobook now.
Guided meditation for reducing social anxiety. Find your comfortable seated position or lay down, allowing yourself to fully relax. Movement and active movement. The body relaxes. Gently stretch the body. Open your eyes and take a moment to
You can also edit your audiobook here. Then share and embed. Then you can share it on the social media platforms like Facebook Messenger, Insta, Pinterest, Twitter, etc. Then also you can delete your audiobook.